Can't believe I actually did it.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope you're having a great day today. So we are out here in the garage and we are getting ready for what potentially may be an important day, because we are going to look at a car, and not just any car. This car is kind of my dream car, and if you're watching this video, that means it might have worked out for the better. So we got a bit of a drive ahead of us, so we're gonna hop in the car. No, not the GT, that's staying right here. Or we're gonna hop in the car right now and hit the road. What is up, everybody? Well, it was a pretty good day. Things worked out pretty well. You know what? We've already seen the GT. Let's take a look at the new baby. I can't believe I bought a Terminator. Stay tuned for the next video. Give you all the info. Thanks for watching.